is sponsored by Squarespace. We're on the road and Alana and I are so excited. Wait, has it been a year?
Since we've shopped in store, but I think we went to Ikea when we were doing the studio kitchen. Remember?
You're right. You're right. Oh yeah, okay. So it hasn't been a full year, but it's been a while. We're very excited. I know something just beeped. We're very excited to be like out of the house, and I'm gonna put on a Spotify playlist. I love Spotify. I have like the account that just lets you do whatever you want, like the unlimited account, because I literally listen to Spotify all the time. And you can all see my embarrassing music choices. Like the playlist that I played last night, Vaxxed Girl Summer. You wanna listen to Vaxxed Girl Summer?
Absolutely.
If you guys don't already know, Squarespace is the one-stop shop for small business owners, aspiring bloggers, creatives who want a space to display their work. I have been using a Squarespace website for as long as I can remember, even before I started working with them, and I love how easy it is to use. As a small business owner, I can sell products on Squarespace, I can write blog posts, I can connect with my followers by sending out branded emails, I have access to analytics of what blog posts or what products are doing well. And I know so many of you right now are looking at starting side hustles. You're looking at starting up that small business that you've been dreaming about. If that's you, I would highly recommend using Squarespace as your website. Head to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And when you're ready to launch your website, use my code, which will be here and in the description box, for 10% off your first website or domain. We're here! We're here! Oh God. Okay, it's looking a little busy. Not gonna lie. The question of the hour is the cafe open? Because I have missed Ikea lunches, if I'm being truly honest. Ikea, I don't think there's a line either. I just would really like to know how that fits in that. Well, like, you go, girl. Helping Mother Earth, one Ikea bag at a time. Yes. It's great to see you. You can't see my face, but I'm beaming. You guys, this green sofa though, beautiful. It looks brighter in camera, but it's actually this like really deep kind of moss green. It's beautiful. Also, if anyone's wondering, these are the lights that we have in the studio. We have the biggest size, but they also come in a medium and a small. And the thing I love with these lights is that you can actually hack them. So you can put like a puck light in them, because you're just buying the shade. So if you wanted to do a more renter-friendly lighting hack, this is the light for you, because you just buy the shade, and the smallest one is like under $20, I think. And yeah, they look so beautiful in our studio. Guys, look at these wall sconces. They're so beautiful. Oh my God, they're $20. This rug is gorgeous. I'm loving this like wishbone type chair. I don't know if I love the color. It's like yellow, but very cute. Okay, Ikea's like killing it with the new lighting, guys. Don't know what these are, but I will find them and pop it up on screen and the price. They're really cool and like industrial. These are so cute. Kitchen rails are like so in right now, but I've never seen these. I like the pop of color. You guys know that I can't just glaze over a pink bed. I've never seen Ikea carry anything like this. Obsessed. I love these legs. The market at Ikea, the Ikea Market section is my favorite. I'd love to know what your favorite is in the comments. This is cute. This is cute, little drink dispenser. Velvet cushion cover. Love it. $8. $8. It's really lovely. I also think paired with this mustard color would be so nice. That was good. You guys, I love this color so much. It's like a dusty,
like pistachio.
Yeah, and it feels so soft. I think it's made out of 100% cotton, but it's just like super soft, and it's 30 bucks. Does anyone else agree with me that like green in all shades is coming back? It's like green in any shade is having a moment. I found something. These look like Turkish towels. $8. I feel like if you are into like rustic style decor, farmhousey type decor, this is the towel for you. Oh my gosh, you guys, more towel finds. These are so beautiful. There it is hanging up. I am obsessed with the black trim. Guys, I've had my eye on these forever. Again, green. What is with the green? They're metal and they're just like really great storage boxes. Okay, so Ikea recently has just like upped their lighting game by a lot, and they're doing these like mid-century modern retro feeling lights. Like, look at these. They also have it in a small size, you guys. Cute. Ooh, this is nice. $20, you guys. That is beautiful. Okay, these are cute for like a cottage, or if you're into like cottage core. Super cute. Okay, also, I feel like everyone's really into the mushroom lights right now. This is a fun dupe. This is $12. And they have it in glass too. Cute. You guys, rug find. So textured. Also this. Fun. It's a 5x7 for $2.49. Love all the colors in it. Also, look at this one, guys. It's kind of like a southwestern type rug. You guys, this shoe rug is 2x4 and it's 40 bucks. It's pretty big and it feels like really good quality. That'd be so great in an entryway. It's like soft. Lone Fox did his whole staircase in this.
That one, really?
Yeah, you guys, who saw the Lone Fox video where he did a stair runner using this rug? This is an outdoor, well, it's indoor outdoor, but mainly an outdoor rug. I'm gonna pop a picture of it on screen, but it's really cute. Oh my God, Elena, again with the green. Everything I featured is green. Okay, ooh. This isn't really a new find, but I have eyed this rug for years. Whenever I come to Ikea, I just look over it at it lovingly, because it's like a vintage, kind of Turkish style purple rug, and the purple is just like so beautiful. Okay, so this is an indoor rug, but it's exactly like the rug that I featured on my patio. I like the stripes. It's $400 for an 8x11, which is pretty good. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. This is a little memo board, $15. and then you clip stuff to it. Cute. Okay, for all of you who love a good farmhouse rustic find, these are picture ledges, but they've been finished with like a white paint. Hot tip, anyone who has a farmhouse style kitchen, put these up and then display your cookbooks on them. I think that would be so fun. Also, something I did not know, Ikea now sells these wooden frames. So you basically take a photo and then you just pop the wood frames on top. Okay, now we're in the pet section. Cute little pet bowl. How adorable is that? Guys, these are new. These plant pots with legs, $10. So fun. Also a bigger version of that pot. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Okay, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. $45. I also feel like there has to be a hack, or like not a hack, but like another way to use this. Even like as a fruit stand or something in your kitchen. I think it's so beautiful. And it's rattan. Oh yeah. You guys, we just ate so much Ikea food. I didn't film it because we were just eating lunch and like, yeah, I just didn't. But trust me when I say we ate so much Ikea food and we're both like, oh. Anyways, we are heading home. That was so fun. It was so nice to be back at Ikea. Don't you feel like old times? Kind of? Kind of. Like, we're almost there. We're almost back to normal. But yeah, let's head home.